And I think
yeah.
we're just gonna have a conversation back and forth.
Yeah.
And then, kasi kasama ko sa journey na to, di ba?
Oo,
You
kasama
know,
ako. Okay.
yeah, this is
Mag-a-add na lang ako.
yeah, this is the time when we first started ZRM Studios,
Yeah.
2018, di ba?
Yeah,
So,
yeah, yeah.
yeah, we're just gonna, guys, we're just gonna have a conversation and usap-usap lang.
Ganito talaga kami mag-usap. Minsan hanggang alas 6
Madaling
na
araw.
ng umaga. Yeah, oh, yeah, yeah, yeah,
Ngayong
yeah.
umaga, right?
As in talaga, grabe yung ano namin. And more of yung pinag-uusapan namin is about our journey, our growth, what we suck at, yung mga ganun, yung mga mistakes namin, or kung ano yung point of view ko as human being, and kung ano yung point of view niya din. Kasi, guys, magkaiba tayo ng values and belief, and naniniwala talaga ako na yung nakikita niya or yung vision niya, iba sa vision ko. So, sometimes we just have to explain each other, di ba?
Yeah, just like I always said na everyone has a different circumstances. So iba yung point of view mo pag nakikita mo yung mga situations and things like that growing with the business, 'di ba? And then iba rin sa akin. Right?
Ang weird. Oo nga,
Yeah.
kasi sometimes may mga shoot kami na, oh, ganito yung nangyari, ganito, ganyan. Ano yung pagkaka-interpret mo? Iba yung interpretation niya sa interpretation ko. It's just so weird, guys. Well, I mean, gawin nyo yan sa mga partners ninyo kung may partner kayo, or kung may best friend man kayo, gawin nyo yun together. Pag may same experience kayo, and then tanungin nyo siya kung ano yung point of view niya sa mga pagkakataon na yon. And then, ang weird, guys, magkaiba kayo. Pero may mga time din na magkaparehas kami, di ba?
Yeah, I
Ng
think
take.
and make sure lang pag if you're getting advice or a point of view with other person, make sure that they know you
Oo,
personally
totoo.
kasi it could be different kasi yung tingin nila eh. Kasi hindi ka nila kalala, so they cannot like match it together. But anyways, yeah, ganun lang guys. Make sure that you have somebody who can validate your moves and things like that. Ganun
Yes,
lang yun. Yeah.
totoo.